Hi everyone, welcome to my channel from Archiis creation. Hope you all are doing well. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw Rakhi using Mandala Art in Adobe Illustrator in using duplicate and rotate shapes. In one word, this is a fusion of Mandala in Rakhi. I have explained it in very easy process, also explained step by step, so please watch the video till the end. And after watching this video tutorial, you will be able to make different types of Rakhi design in Illustrator. Today I want to say something about Raksha Bandhan, the significance of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan literally meaning protection, safety and bond. Raksha Bandhan is a Hindu festival observed on the full moon day or Purnima in the Hindu calendar month of Shravana. It celebrates the relation between siblings. On this day, sisters tie colorful rakhis or threads around the wrist of their brother as a mark of respect, affection and love, and also pray for their long lives. In this way, Rakhi strengthens the bond of love between brothers and sisters, and also the brothers offers their gift to their loving sisters. The history of Raksha Bandhan dates back to Hindu mythology. As per Hindu mythology, in Mahabharata, the great Indian epic, it is believed that Draupadi tied a Rakhi on Lord Sri Krishna's wrist. Rabindranath Tagore led a protest against the decision of British Viceroy Karchan to divide Bengal of religious ground and urged Hindus and Muslims to tie Rakhi on each other's wrist to express harmony and solidarity among each other. This is the significance of this Raksha Bandhan festival. Comment down below and subscribe for more such amazing videos. Please give your precious feedback so that I get motivated. Your feedback is my motivation. If you like my artworks, you can follow me on FB and Instagram. Both pages are in same name. Check out to this channel to see other designs video tutorials. Link given below. And also I have attached all previous video link will appear in next video with a new design. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching from Archiis creation.